like on base game. Really? Without it? Do you know what? I'll trust you. Drop a multi.
You never know.
Wait, drop a multi now. Go on then, Zeus. Drop it now. Blues. Oh. That's so weird. You love Gates, and the kid who gifted me, fucking, his name was Zeus's ass. He hated Zeus. Well, there's the one multi. But I mean, not fuck it. I wouldn't mind it. Wouldn't mind getting in, to be fair. Green's top left. Right here. Let me turn the music down a bit. With me, possibilities are on you. We'll do some spins without it, but if it starts looking a bit shit, then we'll turn it back on. Just depends on what multis are coming out. Greens, maybe. Oh. Stop giving me scatters. I want base game hits. Go on, multi now. That'll be nice. Purple's it. Multi me now. Bro, multi. Reds. I feel like he's stingy with the multi though. Like he brings it out and then you just don't hit it. Oh my god. With a double chance off opportunity go in. Go on hourglasses as well, please. Oh mate. If the hourglasses said that would have been really good. The nature of the scam, they give crazy tumbles, no multi, then multi with no tumble right after, literally. Chalices, golds, anything. Oh! Oh! Go on then.
Mate, what?
Keep going. Another multi, or reds. Well, we'll take that.
Holy shit,
I'm not gonna lie, I thought that was better than what it was.
Mate,
I thought it was better than what it was.
Lying. This guy's wise in your chat.
Hello, fold, dude. I thought that was better than what it was, because Chalice is fucking it, so I shit myself for a second. Greens. Purples, maybe. I need one more. Go on, drop a multi now. Little 500 XM, I wouldn't fucking complain. Let's find a song to put on. These are all quite depressing songs though. Let's get some fucking Pop Smoke on, fuck it. Blues, greens, yellows. Golds, greens. How the fuck did nothing connect there? Shake it up. She let the way I dance. She let the way I move. Drop free. I mean, drop free. Or drop crowns. If there wasn't a scatterer, I would be screaming for a multi. Christian Dior, I'm up in all the stores.
Pop Smoking call.
He is, mate. Do you remember you used to say you're Pop Smoke?
I
Because you thought you were funny. Christian Dior. Where's the Gates music going? Oh, there it is. I was gonna say. Wait, why is it drying up now? Right, now let's put it on. Let's see what I get with it on. We're doing a little test. Wait, straight away.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh.
I seen a lot of blues and I thought it was going to hit.
And I thought I was going to hit as well.
Drop 4. Would have been nice. Blues, greens, reds, blues. Oh, wait, this could be really good. Chalices, hourglasses. Mate, 7 blues, 7 chalices, 7 hourglasses. What the fuck? Kamiri. Chop 2. Billie Jean. Purples, blues, golds. Nah. Chops 1. Okay, this is looking a bit. I don't know. Go to 45 if we get nothing, and then stop. Purples, maybe. Course 3. The classic. Blues, chalices. No. One more. Wait, greens, multi. Oh my god, that's max golds, isn't it? Multi, please. Oh my god, on a $3 tombo.